Hey guys, welcome back. This isn't going to be a really in-depth video. I already glued all my excess hair back off camera. So first I'm going to start by putting on my wig cap. Now I'm just going to cut a little hole over my ears. This makes it easier for the freezing spray and the cap to directly touch your scalp. Go ahead and do that to both sides. So at this point, you basically can blow dry it to dry, or you literally can let it air dry. I personally like to let it air dry, so I'm gonna have a little snack break because y'all know your girl be hungry and anybody try to lose no weight around here, baby. She gonna sit here and act like she don't want none. She won't. She just acting up because y'all here. Like I've mentioned in the review video, I have wore this wig 2 times before this, so I'm just gonna cut off some of the lace that I don't want anymore, and that's basically what I'm doing with the eyebrow razor thingy-mabob. So now I'm just gonna cut off this because, oh girl, my lashes. So boom. So now I'm gonna try the wig on to see if my cap is out of the way. Clovers, I cannot stress how important this next step is. You have to remove all the excess makeup or freezing spray from your forehead before applying the glue. Now, I do not use expensive, for my lace, I do not use expensive makeup. It's a drugstore brand. This is it. You do not need to be using $50 foundation on your head. Sorry. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I already painted my lace with the foundation. Wait, let's not turn them on, honey. Let's put my baby bliss. Oh, best behind out there. There you go, baby bliss. And she is on 45. The highest is 50. She don't think that. Vile soap. Like y'all know, ain't no other glue better than both. So now I'm just gonna make little dots around where I'd like to install my lace first. Guys, I'm not sure if I showed it in this video, but try to get the lace glue on some of your cap. That's very important, to push the lace glue as much as possible. It'll help your wig to stay longer, and the strength of it is gonna be so much better. Woo, chill, friend. Do y'all see, friend? Do y'all see that? Friend, do y'all see? Bitch, I'm going. So now I'm gonna take my comb and try to press down the lace against the glue end to the cap for more security. It's better to use a comb than your finger. When you use your finger, it usually leaves like the white part of the gel because your finger does get stuck to it. So if you have like a really fine teeth comb, that would honestly work the best. Guys, I am officially done with the left side. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? This comb comes in handy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other side.
Who could do it like that? Nobody. Y'all see this? Oh my god. Friend.
Wait.
Friend.
What?
Friend.
What?
Do you see your head?
Stop.
I don't see. I don't see. Y'all don't see. Show them again. Show them again. Friend.
What?
Friend.
Friend, stop.
Who y'all know?
Let me
Moment of silence. Moment of silence. Ready? Who y'all know? Who y'all know?
Friend.
Friend. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go.
Fuck, it was just now started.
So this is the last part, which is parting and styling. I'm gonna keep the hair straight, although it's not straight. If you want to get the information about this hair, it's on the video before this. This hair was really easy to install, and I hope that you guys like it. Let me know if you want an in-depth installing video, a bleaching the knots video, a tinting the knots video, whatever video you guys want to know. Let me know and it will be here for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever the case may be. Mwah. Bye, lucky clovers.